Hi, it's Graham here at Pexip, and today I'm going to show you how to use Pexip Infinity Fusion with Skype Meeting Broadcast. So you may ask, why do you want to do this? Well, let's say you're going to do a broadcast to your team, or internal or external, but you want people to present maybe from that conference room with some VTC kit in. So you want to use a good quality optics and camera and audio in there. Or you're doing a broadcast and you want people to gather around the table, and rather than someone coming in to plug in their laptop, share their screen, why don't you just bring in that VTC into the meeting? So let's set up a Skype Meeting Broadcast. So normal activity we do here, we come in to the broadcast.skype.com, and we will go and create a meeting broadcast, and we'll just set it up for anonymous access and create that event. So very, very simple. We now copy the hyperlink, and what we'll do is kickstart this to join in as a team member. And what this will do, will invoke my Skype for Business client, and that will open up, and I will be in the meeting with broadcast controls now. So the first thing we need to do, if you're not familiar with Skype Meeting Broadcast, is we need to enable our video. Of course, what's the point in having a broadcast without video? So here we go, we'll start my video. And now this has enabled me now to start the broadcast. So once this is ready, I can right click and make active video. So now that's just checking a few things in the background, and I'm able to start the broadcast. So let's get that running. So we'll jump back here and get my link again, and we'll come in and view it as a participant. So now this will be from a guest, should we say? So it says we're not started yet, so let's come back to our broadcast controls. So it takes about a minute between what you're actually doing live to what's actually been broadcast. So there we go, it's now kicked in. So now let's upload a PowerPoint, because that's what we can do. Previously I did test at some point last year, been able to bring in VTC and its content source, so sharing your desktop, maybe an Excel file. And that works fine last year in broadcasts. Obviously something's changed in the back end, so now we can only do video into the broadcast. As soon as I bring content in, we get video only. Shame, but you know, maybe it'll feature will come back. So now I've got content, I can change the layout, so I can see the video plus content in the live stream on the right hand side, and we'll see that update. So then what I'm going to do is bring in a VTC, and I'm going to use a software client today for this, so you can see it on the screen and see what's happening. And that's Polycom Real Presence Desktop that I've got set up, but I've also got it registered to Pexip, so it is a VTC endpoint registered. There we go, there's the layout change now. So here's my desktop client, so let's now invite it. So normal Skype workflow here, and I've got it here in my buddy list. Real Presence Desktop, there we go. Double click on him, and it's now going to ring this through Pexip. There we go, we'll answer that. Just put that guy on mute. So we're now in the call, been able to participate, and guess what? We also see content. So because of Pexip Infinity Fusion, we're the only people in the world that is able to understand what the Office Web App Server is producing. We're able to receive that content as well and display it within the VTC. So imagine you've got two nice 65-inch screens in your conference room. You're going to see the broadcast video on one and then the content on the other. So really, really nice solution. And also, if you want to make these guys a presenter, not a problem. Make them the active viewer. So from my camera here, we'll be able to see it live coming through. So it will switch camera now in a few seconds. It will switch the view to another camera. So again, people can talk from the conference room into the broadcast. So audio and video will work fine. As I mentioned before, content doesn't work. It will drop it back to video only if you do try. Maybe I need to do some more experimenting. So there it is there. Let's jump back. And what does it look like from the Pexip side? So let's have a look. We'll jump into the Pexip meeting. And I have the meeting running here. So you can see that the call is up and running. and it's talking to the Skype meeting. So there's a focus ID and how it connects to miameeting.link.com. So this is my software here, SIP protocol, registered through the Pexip conference node and out to the Skype meeting. And look at that, no packet loss, all good stuff happening. Really nice call quality through Pexip into the Skype Meeting Broadcast. So that's it, really simple, really easy for users to do. Obviously, if you are on the VTC, you're not going to do any Q&A or Bing Pulse that you might be doing, but it's a nice solution for people who want to have VTCs into the meeting, and then you can mute them, remove them from the meeting, and make them back the actual presenter, etc. And when you progress your slides, that all progresses as well nicely, even on the VTC. So super simple for users to do that. And any questions, drop me a line, graham@pexip.com, or on Twitter, Graham_Walsh, and I'll be happy to answer any questions about the Pexip Infinity Fusion certified for Skype for Business server. Speak to you soon. Cheers.